Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Ken Omolo and I'm the founder of June Online. And on today's episode, I want us to talk about how to make money online in Kenya and get paid through Mpesa. Before we continue though, let's take at least 5 seconds off to subscribe to this channel. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, make sure you click on that subscription button below this video and turn on the notification button so that when we post new videos about how to make money online, about business ideas and about trading, you'll get notified there. So our number one way to make money online in Kenya and to get paid through Mpesa is through affiliate marketing. For those who are new to that concept, affiliate marketing is when you promote another person's or company's products or services and get paid a reward in form of a commission. So you can promote these affiliate products through your website, through social media, or send traffic directly to these affiliate sites. So some of the most popular affiliate companies in Kenya include Jumia, Truehost, Vituzote, and Forex. All these sites have affiliate partnership programs that you can join and get paid through Mpesa. If you also want to promote travel affiliate programs, you can join Travel Start in Kenya to make money through affiliate partnerships. Other than making money online in Kenya through promoting affiliate products, you can also make money online in Kenya by writing online. So some of the websites that are currently accepting writers in Kenya include iWriter, Upwork, Freelancer, and those are international sites which will pay you through either Skrill or PayPal. Then you can transfer that money to Mpesa directly from either Skrill to Mpesa or PayPal to Mpesa. If you want to learn how to transfer money from Skrill to Mpesa, also make sure that you watch that video. Otherwise, you can also write for sites like writers.co.ke in Kenya and they'll pay you through Mpesa if they are satisfied with your work. You can also write for Writer Hunter, Falcon Writers, Pro Writers Time. There is also another one that is called iWriters Kenya. There is Nadi Turtles, and of course there is June.co.ke. We also hire writers and we pay them through Mpesa once a week. Okay, so if you want to write for us, make sure that you read our submission guidelines. Some of them include sending us an email with the title June Guest Post to introduce yourself. After you've done that, you can also write your articles in proper English and send them to us. That's of course after we've replied your email and advised on the topics that we need at the moment. Okay, the third way that you can use to make money online in Kenya is through referral. So there are a number of referral sites out there on the internet, on Play Store, on App Store, that you can use to make money online. Of course, the most popular ones are sites like Payoneer, there is PayPal, there is Skrill, that will also pay you a token of appreciation for referring someone to their platforms. For example, Payoneer will pay you $25 per active referral that you send to their platforms. Then of course there are these loan apps that are available on Play Store that will also pay you at least 100 Kenyan shillings to refer a new member to their sites. If you want more money and more ways to earn online and to get paid through Mpesa, you can also do surveys. Okay, so online surveys are when you give your opinion about a particular product or a particular service and you get paid for it. Okay, the top online survey sites that you can join in Kenya to work for and to get paid via Mpesa are sites like Opinion Space. There is iPoll, there is Ipsos, I say, which is formerly Ipsos Synovate. Then there is SuperPayMe, there is Vivatic, there is Paid Surveys Kenya, there is Paid Viewpoint, and of course there is the Vindel Research that will pay you at least $25 for a 55-minute survey. Okay, the fifth way to make money online in Kenya and to get paid through Mpesa is my favorite, which is online trading. So online trading is the process of forecasting the future price of an asset, and if the price ends up as you have predicted, you earn money. So there are very many different assets that you can trade and make money online. There is currencies, there is commodities, there is indices, there is stocks, there are ETFs, there are metals that you can also trade to make money online. Currently, the best online trading platform that you can use to make money online is Olimtrade. You can see it somewhere here, Olimtrade. So when you create an account with Olimtrade, you will get a demo account that has 10,000 demo units, which you begin to use to practice how to trade on real market conditions. When you want to go live on the real account for Olimtrade, you will need to deposit at least $10 onto your account. So when you make the deposit, you can now begin to trade on a real account and earn real money with Olimtrade. When making that deposit, you may want to get a deposit bonus. Olimtrade gives up to 50% deposit bonus, which means that if you deposit $100, you'll get $50 on top of that. To get those promo codes which you can use to make a deposit in Olimtrade, make sure you also watch that video. Okay. If you want to learn how to trade, you can also join our Telegram channel at June Online on Telegram to begin learning how to trade. You can also copy my trades. If you find me good enough in trading, you can copy my trades and earn with me as I earn in Olimtrade. Okay. If trading isn't your thing, you can also make money online in Kenya and get paid through Mpesa via sports betting. So sports betting is when you play a game of chance hoping you will get bigger returns than what you put in. Example, you can put in 10 shillings with the hopes of getting 100,000 Kenyan shillings. It's very much possible. The keywords here being a game and hope. So you play a game and you hope you'll make money. So that is sports betting. There are very many different sports betting sites that you can work with in Kenya, and it all depends on luck. So if you are lucky enough, you will make money through those betting sites and get paid through Mpesa. Other than trading, gambling, writing, and doing all those stuff online to make money online, you can also create an e-commerce platform and add the Lipa and Mpesa API onto your platform to accept automatic Mpesa payments. Okay, so that is one of the legal ways that you can use to make money online in Kenya, and it's very easy, and you are in full control of everything, from the products that you are selling to the payment methods that you want to accept on that platform. So you can also make so much money just by having your products online. If you have a physical store, consider going online with that store to make money. Another simple way to make money online through Mpesa is to become an online delivery guy. You can accept orders online and also accept Mpesa payments to make money online through Mpesa. You can also make money online and get paid through Mpesa by selling ebooks and courses. There are sites like mudhurwa.com which will allow you to sell your digital products online and to get paid through Mpesa, or you can simply create a Facebook page and sell online and receive Mpesa payments. The last way to make money online in Kenya and to get paid through Mpesa is to become a Uber driver. If you have a car, or if you are a driver, you can hire a car from someone else, use it for Uber, and get paid through Mpesa. So instead of getting cash payments or credit card payments, you can opt for Mpesa payments. So that is it for the day. Those are 10 different ways that you can use to make money online in Kenya and to get paid through Mpesa. Of course, my favorite being trading through Olimtrade, which allows you to make as much as you can. Okay, so again, if you don't have an account in Olimtrade, you can create one with the link on the description of this video, or if you are watching this video from our website, click on that registration button to create your free account in Olimtrade. You will get 10,000 demo units which you can use to begin practicing how to trade on real market conditions. If you don't know how to trade, you can also contact us on Telegram to join our signals group and to get free signals from us. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, it's that time again. Click on that subscription button and also make sure that you turn on the notification button so that when we post more videos like this and that and the other one, you'll get notified. Until next time, bye bye. It's your guy Ken Omolo signing out.